Do your knees making clicking or popping sound when you squat or walk? It's a sign that your joints are wearing out. Let's find out the truth. This is the most common question which I get in my practice. If the sound is painless and no swelling, then don't panic. It's just the gas bubbles which are bursting in the joint fluid. But if the sound comes with sharp pain, then it's a red flag. Your cartilage or meniscus might be wearing out. Most people stop exercising the moment when they hear a click. That's the worst thing you can do. Weak muscles will only accelerate wear and tear. Don't ignore the sound, but don't fear it either. Sports physiotherapy can help lubricate and stabilize your joints. Share this with someone who is worried about their joint health.